Hi.
What's up? This is
Are you
my
recording
first
this?
appearance in this. Finally.
Wait, what?
What?
I don't know.
You know, after Brandon's wearing my monster t-shirt in all the other videos.
And I was wearing a demigod shirt in that one video.
I didn't even notice that, dude.
Well, now you know the look.
Bird. Amazing bird. Feed it. It'll grow and it'll become your bird. That bird's pretty daring. What is it trying to pick up? What is that? It's like come off the ground. You are tasty, but I cannot lift you off the ground.
What is it trying to lift up?
I don't know. We're trying to figure it out.
Kind of it looks like a carrot. Whoa, zoom down your face.
It's stuck to the ground. Whatever it is, it's like feed.
Take.
I don't think he's just aware that the thing's that close. Oh my god, now there's two birdies. Look at the birdies. I'm gonna have to approach it with making my stuff come nose.
Oh, Kayla's gonna go back in this video and be like, wait, when did he say that?
What?
Nothing.
Hey Kayla, look to your left. Left.
You're right.
Oh, right.
Fail.
Hello, little birdie.
Oh my god. Right there.
Hi there. Don't step on it.
So easy.
Oh, you look scared. Let me film you in fear.
You showed me in the video.
Don't step on it.
I'm gonna step on it, I'm just gonna punch your wrist. Really, buddy.
Dude, I bet I can feed these little things. Dude, I can grab it right now if I wanted to. Like, boom. Look at that. I've never been that close to a bird. These things are fearless. I wish I had a piece of food right now. I would feed it.
Go get something out of the out of Panda real fast, or go get like an onion in Subway.
My eyes hurt again now.
I choose you. You shall be the bird. Where do you all come from? Like, feed us.
I didn't get anything done. We're still working, but I have to drop Jared off. I didn't even know Jared was with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some mayonnaise.
Alright, don't get anything underneath.